I need quite a lot more subscribers. Please help me out. Okay, it's not a usual upload, but today I'm going to be having a look at my analytics for my YouTube channel. Here we have my channel dashboard with my subscribers, 143, nice. This is my latest video. I think we're just going to go to our main channel analytics for now. So as you can see, 7,069 views in the last 28 days. If we turn this to lifetime, we can see that I started 14th of April, maybe 13th of April, and I uploaded quite a lot, and then I had this big break for the whole of May and June. Then I got back with some BeamNG uploads. I had another break, more BeamNG uploads, a bit of Mecha Chameleon, and then BeamNG, GTA, kind of a mix. We've been doing daily content. Well, I missed yesterday, I'm sorry about that. But now we have our analytics for the last 48 hours. These are my views. Not too bad, but I could be doing better. We can go over to content. And this is like the whole channel, 9.4 thousand views. We peaked here, 25th of July, 193,000 impressions, not too bad. 4% click-through rate. It's been decent over the last couple of days, averaging over 4%. I don't know why it's so dodgy and spiky here, but average view duration is absolutely terrible. Well, it's not actually that bad. My average video length is probably 8 to 9 minutes, so this is a pretty good average view duration. We can go over to audience. We can see the monthly audience. I'm not quite sure what this means. We had a monthly audience here, and it drops down for that break again. And it starts rising, and it's actually gone down here. I don't know what that is. Can you see that? Then subscribers, we gained quite a few here, and then we started gaining quite a lot. Middle of June, when I started uploading again, well, end of June actually. New viewers, 98.4%. Casual viewers, 1.6. So that means watch your channel in up to 5 months over the past year. Not really been uploading for 5 months, so I don't know how that works. Okay, popular with different audiences. This is good. I uploaded a short, which I've deleted all my shorts now. But these are my top 5 most popular videos. Yep, it is 5. Channels that your audience watches, not enough data for this. Formats that your viewers watch. Everybody watches videos, everybody watches shorts, and most people watch lives, which is good. Videos growing your audience. Views who returned, moderate for this, moderate for this, moderate for this, and low for all the rest, but that's fine. Watch time from subscribers, 13% subscribed. That's actually pretty good. Device type, mobile phone is top with 30.2%, TV with 29%, computer with 26%, and tablet with 13%. Top geographies, United States, at the top of the leaderboard, 29.5. United Kingdom, where I'm from, 6.7. South Africa, 3.7. Philippines, 3.3. India, 2.9. So they're all good. And age and gender, 27% female, 72% male, 0% user specified. My audience tends to be in the 25 to 34 years range, which I assume is just everybody setting their birthday to 2000. But we've got a few people over the age of 35 with 28.5%, which is fine. 55 to 64, okay. Subtitles here, no subtitles, 88.2%, as I would have expected. English, 7.8. I don't know where all the other percentages went, but 0 for Portuguese, 0 for Arabic, and 0 for Russian. We can go over into our content tab. We get to see all our videos here, like in a quick sort of way. If I sort by top amount of views, it's this one first, then this one, which is actually quite good. I might go into the analytics of that. It started off, hold on, let me go, first 24 hours. It started off with 442 in the first day. So usually my videos start at maybe 6 views, and then bang, go up to about 100. Yep, this is usually where they stop. And then bang again, 430, and then we can go to lifetime since uploaded. That's what I meant. Yeah, that's the big 400 view spike, and then it just kept going on from there. Same with watch time and subs. 181 in the past 48 hours. In the past 60 minutes, it's 3. My most viewed video has kind of flatlined, to be honest. 32 subs. I've now got 5 over 1,000, which is good. The flood videos started doing very, very well. Like, look at that. Starting to go on up, 25 hours of watch time and 4 subscribers. Then I've got BeamNG Racing with Random Cars. That's also on the up. 22 watch hours. Then I've got all these other videos which I'm not gonna take too long of a look at, but this video had a little bit of an experiment. So I went down, put all these tags in, like come on, and then I went only subscribers can comment. So I think, let's go to the analytics. Yeah, 7 from 331 views. It's decent, but could have been more. Then we've got our community tab. Oh, I've not replied to these comments. There you go. What should I reply? You are in a vid. So there you go. Yeah, you're in a vid. There we go. And these are all the comments. Let's pick a random comment and stop. Ah, it's my comment replying to. Okay, the guy. So the guy 93. Thank you for the comment. Okay. I can go to earn. Here we go. 153 valid public watch hours. I need 4,000 to be able to earn. So please, I need quite a lot more subscribers. Please help me out. Okay, for this video, the analytics were crazy. As soon as it came out, I wasn't even home because I'd scheduled it. So it came out like without me knowing. And the first 24 hours, it got most of its views. Look, in the first 10 minutes, I had 11 views. 25 minutes, 59. In the first hour, it had 157 views. So about in the first 3 hours, it flatlined pretty decent over in the subscribers. Ooh, I've not actually looked at trends yet. Get ideas for your next video. Okay. Yeah, I might do some of these. Tornado vs cars. Mobile games. It's all about mobile games for some reason. I uploaded one video about that. Anyway, I might do a tornado one. Let's have a look at subtitles. 2 languages. I didn't know it was in 2 languages. Oh, ineligible. Oh, top 10 languages spoken by your channel's audience. 83% English, 5.3% Filipino, 4.1% Hindi, 1.9% Indonesian, Portuguese, German, Spanish, blah blah blah. That's all as to be expected. Yeah, none of these stuff. I've got 13 BeamNG videos. Ooh, wow. Let's have a look at the analytics on this playlist. Okay, total views 6.8k. Wow. And all of my views are from that, so well done, BeamNG.